Your PC crashes in the middle of the gaming, your screen freezes for no reason, or maybe Windows keep restarting randomly. And no matter what you try, the problem keeps coming back. The worst part, most people never figure out what's actually causing it. But today, I will show you the real reasons PC crash and the exact step-by-step fixes that actually work. So before you throw your computer out the window, watch this video till the end. Section 1, Why PC crashes. PC crashes almost never happen randomly. There is always a reason hiding underneath. And usually it comes down to one of these things: overheating, bad RAM, corrupted drivers, Windows update bugs, power supply problems, or failing hardware. Sometimes it is software, sometimes it is physical hardware, and sometimes it's both at the same time. They keep is learning how to identify the real cause. So let's start with the most common issue first. Section 2, Overheating problems. Heat is the one of the biggest reason PC crash. When your PC or GPU gets too hot, your system shuts down automatically to protect itself. This usually happens because dust blocks airflow, fans stop working properly, thermal paste dries out, or airflow inside the case is terrible. If your PC crashes while gaming or editing videos, temperature is probably the issue. Download tools like HW Monitor, Core Temperature, MSI, Afterburner, and check your temperatures. Safe temperatures are usually CPU under 90 degrees and GPU under 85 degrees. If temperature goes above that, clean your PC immediately. Section 3, Bad RAM Issues. Another major cause of crashes is faulty RAM. Bad RAM can cause blue screens, random freezes, restarts, games crashing to desktop, even Windows corruption. Especially if you see errors like memory management. To test your RAM, open Start menu, search for Windows Memory Diagnostics, then restart your PC and let Windows scan for errors. If error appears, one of your RAM stick may be failing. Section 4, Driver Problems. Drivers are basically translators between Windows and your hardware. If a driver becomes corrupted, your entire system can become unstable. GPU drivers are the biggest offenders, especially after Windows updates, GPU software updates, or installing new hardware. Here is what you should do. Open Device Manager, then update drivers manually. Install all the drivers and then restart again. For graphic card, use DDU display driver uninstaller. It completely removes old drivers before installing fresh ones. Always download drivers directly from Nvidia, AMD, Intel. Never rely only on Windows Update. Section 5, Corrupted Windows Files. Sometimes Windows itself becomes corrupted, and when important system files break, crashes start happening constantly. Luckily, Windows has built-in repair tool. Open command prompt as administrator. Then type sfc space slash scan now. Then enter. This process will take some time. After that finish, type dism space slash online space slash cleanup image space slash
restore health, then enter. These commands scans and repair damaged Windows files automatically. This alone fixes crashes for many users. Wait for it to complete. The restore operation completed successfully. Then close the tab and restart your PC. Section 6. Storage Drive Failures. If your hard drives or SSD is failing, your PC may start crashing more and more frequently. Warning signs include extremely slow boot times, freezing during file transfers, apps refusing to open, strange clicking sounds from HDDs. Use a free tool called Crystal Disk Info to check your drive health. If it says cautions or bad, back up your files immediately because drive failures can quickly lead to total data loss. Section 7. Windows 11 knows issues. Windows 11 has introduced several stability problems on some systems. Known issues include AMD CPU instability, TPM conflicts, VBS memory integrity crashes, Intel 13th and 14th gen voltage problems. In many cases, a BIOS update fixes the issue. Visit your motherboard manufacturer's website, download the latest BIOS, and update carefully. But never turn off power during a BIOS update. Section 8. Gaming crashes. If your PC crashes only while gaming, the problem is usually overheating, unstable overclocking, a VRAM overload, or power supply issues. First thing, disable all overclocks. Even stable overclocks can fail under heavy gaming loads. Then monitor GPU temperature, CPU temperature, a VRAM usage. Lower graphic settings if VRAM usage is maxed out, and make sure your PSU is powerful enough for your GPU. Section 9. Step by step fixes. Learn how to fix random restarts, BSOD errors, overheating, RAM issues, driver problems, Windows update bugs, gaming crashes, SSD, HDD failures. Subscribe for more PC fixes and tech tutorials.